The Vivo V27 Pro has officially launched in India, and just like the phones that came before it, the new model also continues to feature a sleek and lightweight design language along with a color-changing rear panel. Here's our first look at Vivo's latest V series smartphone. First, a quick look at what you get in the box. This is what the retail packaging of the V27 Pro looks like. We just have the name of the phone in bold lettering all over the box. First up, we have the phone itself in this magic blue color, but it is also available in noble black. Now next up is this transparent silicone case, a quick start guide and a warranty booklet. And right at the bottom we have a pretty chunky looking power adapter, a USB type A to type C cable, and finally the SIM ejector tool. Now starting with the design, the Vivo V27 Pro sports a fluorite AG glass back panel, and this magic blue color variant can change its hue from light blue to dark blue when exposed to sunlight or UV light. The blue shade of the V27 Pro is fairly similar to the sailing blue color variant of the V25 Pro, albeit a bit lighter in comparison. The Vivo V27 Pro also feels very light to hold, weighing in at just 182 grams, and is also fairly slim, measuring just 7.36 millimeters in thickness. The phone offers a comfortable grip with its curved frame and rear panel design, and we found the power and volume buttons on the right edge to be easily reachable. The top and bottom edges of the Vivo V27 Pro are flat, just like the company's flagship X80 Pro. The bottom edge houses a USB Type-C port, primary speaker, and a dual SIM slot. At the top, there is the professional portrait text that's inscribed on the frame, which highlights one of the key features of this phone. The Vivo V27 Pro has a curved edge 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a hole punch cutout at the top. The bezels at the top and bottom are also fairly thin. For biometric authentication, the device also features an in-display fingerprint scanner. The screen supports a 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. The Vivo V27 Pro has a 50 megapixel front camera, and there is also a triple rear camera setup at the back, which includes a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766V main camera sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Night portrait is one of the main talking points of the V27 Pro, which Vivo says is better on this phone thanks to the new main sensor and a ring light on the back, which Vivo calls Aura Light. We will be testing these claims, of course, in the full review, so stay tuned. Unlike its predecessor, the new phone does not compromise on performance. The Vivo V27 Pro features a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 SoC, which is based on TSMC's 4nm process. The variant we have has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is priced at Rs 37,999 rupees, and the 256GB variant is priced at 39,999 rupees. There's also a third variant with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and this is priced at 42,999 rupees. The Vivo V27 Pro also packs a 4600 mAh battery with support for 66-watt fast charging. The V27 Pro runs Android 13 based FunTouch OS 13 out of the box. Vivo has promised to provide 2 major Android updates and 3 years of security updates for this phone. The software also includes some pre-installed third-party apps, but these can be uninstalled. So what do you think of the new Vivo V27 Pro? Let us know in the comments below, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com and don't forget to follow us on social for more great content.